we have 7x minus, and in parentheses we have 2x minus 1 is less than 5x plus 8. When we have to solve this inequality, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which this inequality is true. So first I have to eliminate this parenthesis. Let me copy this example. I have 7x minus, in parentheses, 2x minus 1 is less than 5x plus 8. So I have 7x is negative 1 before parentheses, so I have to distribute negative 1 to parentheses. So negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1 is less than 5x plus 8. Now I have to collect all terms with x on, I can say, on the left side. So 7x minus 2x will be 5x, and positive 5x, I will move to the left side, will be minus 5x is less than 8, and 1 I will move to the right side, so it will be minus 1. So 5x minus 5x is 0. 0 is less than 8 minus 1 is 7. We get inequality 0 is less than 7. Because this is always true, so it means our solution is all real numbers. So I can write x is all real numbers.